Chaudhary optimistic about BJP-JDU alliance talks. JDU leader Ashok Chaudhary expressed confidence in the ongoing talks between JDU and BJP regarding an alliance for the upcoming Jharkhand elections. After meeting Bihar CM Nitish Kumar, Chaudhary highlighted the positive momentum and dismissed opposition efforts. He reflected on his journey within JDU, crediting Nitish Kumar for his rise and criticized the India alliance, predicting its failure in the 2025 Bihar elections. Chirag Paswan clarifies stance on Kangana's political views. LJP leader Chirag Paswan dispelled rumors of discord with actress turned politician Kangana Ranaut. Speculation arose after they were seen together outside Parliament following Kangana's controversial remarks on the farm laws. Paswan acknowledged her outspoken nature but defended her as new to politics, stating that she will soon grasp political nuances. He emphasized that while individual opinions are valid, party loyalty must come first. RJD's Mrityunjay Tiwari supports Tejaswi Yadav's crime critics. RJD's leader Mrityunjay Tiwari backed Tejaswi Yadav's criticism of the law and order situation in Bihar under Nitish Kumar. He cited violent incidents, claiming crime is on the rise. Tiwari reinforced Tejaswi's accusations that the state government is failing to curb criminal activities. He also accused the ruling JDU-BJP alliance of focusing on discrediting the opposition rather than addressing the crime surge. Santosh Suman criticizes Lalu Yadav for caste insults. Bihar Minister Santosh Suman, son of Jitan Ram Manjhi, condemned RJD chief Lalu Yadav for derogatory remarks about the Musahar caste. Suman accused Lalu of insulting Dalits and dismissed his comments as the result of his declining health. He also criticized Tejaswi Yadav's political immaturity, suggesting that the claims of rising crime are exaggerated to invoke memories of past Jungle Raj. BJP hits back at Hemant Soren's remarks on RSS. The BJP responded sharply to Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren's comparison of the RSS to rats, calling the organization a Hindu lion, restoring the pride of Sanatan Dharma. BJP spokesperson Amar Kumar Bauri accused Soren of pandering to vote banks and protecting illegal immigrants for political gains. The heated exchange comes as both parties prepare for the upcoming elections in Jharkhand.